Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Hope you are okay on that side of the screen. And unlike the last one, which took almost 20 minutes, this will be a short one, I promise. Now, this is a charging station. As you guys know, I've been using at least two types of charging stations. One with roughly 80 watts, which did not charge laptops, and then one with 120 watts. This one is the fastest that I've used so far. It has 160 watts total, so it has 9 ports with 2.4 amps and 5 volts, which will give us roughly 12 watts each of these ports right over here. One of them is with quick charge, so it means that if you have a quick charge compatible device, it will charge 4 times faster. Roughly 35 minutes it will charge up to 80%. And then we have the last port, which is a USB-C port, which will charge 60 watts. It's 20 volts at 3 amps, so 60 watts. And guys, basically this is the message. Now, I've been using, and I think that these are very useful, especially to organize our setup or our charging setup. Now, the quick charge is useful, but to me, I believe that a charging station, it's not something that you will use to quick charge. You just leave it there for the night, and then when you wake up, just pick up your phone or whatever you want to plug in, because I don't use only phone. I've got a power bank right over here to exemplify what I do on real life. I also have a GoPro similar camera. My GoPro is actually on top right over here for my unboxings, and I also have a wireless microphone, a tablet, and a MacBook Air, and of course my MacBook Pro is right over here recording the sound, so it's not connected to the station. But basically, to mention that we can connect anything. One thing that is very important, and it's not included, are the cables. Now, I don't like this kind of cable because it just defeats the purpose of an organized charging station. So I would suggest, and I'll try not to forget to post a link down below where I did purchase mine on Amazon, with these smaller cables which will keep things organized. For example, this is nothing. This is just a mistake, but I didn't have any shorter cables, so I brought this one right over here. We'll leave a link down below so that you guys can check it out. It is a great way to organize our charging devices, and that is it. I use one of these, which is weaker. It's not 160 watts, it's 120, right over there where I charge all my devices, and it helps me a lot to keep everything charged without having a lot of mess. Hope that the video was helpful in some way, and if it was, don't forget that usual thumbs up right over there. My name is Roberto, and as always, I'll see you guys on the next one.